Hey everybody, it's the handbag hauler here, coming to you with a very quick unboxing. Before I get into the video, please like and subscribe, hit that bell button for my notifications. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas to everyone. I'm going to do this really quick. Something that I got off of Poshmark. Really neatly wrapped. This is the 9 West Maddol tote. Similar to the Rouge, different of course, similar as in the flowers on the front. It's clear on the back, has the 9 West logo here, and there it is. Has plenty of compartments with a long strap. 2 slip pockets. We have a zipper middle pocket here. And we have the inside is a zipper pocket right there. Okay, this is polyester lining, polyurethane trim, and the body of the bag. It retails for $99. It's the Barely Nude Multi 9 West Maddol tote. It has I'm not going to unwrap all of this. But as you can see, it has a chain strap. For crossbody if you want, or you can just carry it like a tote. This is very cute. It has 4 feet on the bottom, and you see the black wraps around on both sides. Very cute bag. I am I got it. I didn't get it for $99. I think I paid like $35 for it off of Poshmark. Brand new, girls, brand new. So it's a really cute bag. I just want to come really quick and show you and do this unboxing with you, because that's the only way to do it. So remember to like and subscribe, hit that bell button for my notifications, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.